All right. Hey, class, how's it going? So, for the tech tip in this unit, what I would like to spend some time reviewing is a keyboard shortcut that we spoke about earlier in the semester, and that is the Control F or the Find shortcut. So, as you can see here, I pulled up some articles using Google Scholar for cursive writing and cognitive development. If you look down here, there's a PDF article, University of Alberta. I'm going to click on this article. And when I take a look at this article, you can see there's the abstract. I'm like, okay, this article might be pretty good. Let's go in and check it out. Head into the actual article. I open up the PDF. I quickly realize that this article is 15 pages long. Now, at this point, I'm going through, and if this is a really useful article, I have no problem reading it. But until I know if this is a useful article or not, the Control F function is going to help me find some of the key words in the article, and I can go through and quickly skim and peruse the article using the Control F function. So I pull up Control F, and it opens up this little search bar for each operating system and browser. This might look a little different, but it's a universal find function. And the first thing I'm going to type is cursive, and I'm going to click return. I'm going to scroll through here. And as you can see, the locations where cursive shows up they're highlighted. And now I can just start clicking through all of the different examples of cursive in this article, and it'll move me right through the article. As I just hit enter, I can just click my way right through. And now I'm like, okay, this is pretty useful. Now let's see how it does for cognitive. Do a search for the term cognitive, and now I can go through again. I can click through, and I can see all of the places where the word cognitive is pulled up. Again, this is another way in which you can apply your search terms within the context of a document or within the text of a document to really determine whether or not a document or an article is going to be a useful document or article for you to collect for your research paper. All right. Another place that this works out really well is it when you start looking at the course schedule. This is the FECC spring course schedule for this semester. And as you can see, you could look up something like biology and quickly just start clicking through all of the biology courses without having to scroll and to look. Maybe you've heard that there's a course called science fiction literature. You can type in science fiction, and all of a sudden it'll take you directly to that particular course. So Control F, very useful. Start using it today.